And tonight we are checking it out. We're seeing a little bit of light rain still here on Live Doppler 2X. Mostly sprinkles up around my hometown of Troy over to Springfield, down to Dayton, seeing some light rain as well here in our vicinity, down towards Moraine and Middletown, also picking up some of those showers. Mostly in the light range now. A few moderate showers maybe there in the southeastern part of Indiana. Zooming over to eastern Indiana, you can see those showers extending from the Richmond area down through Liberty. So Brookville Lake and Connorsville, Indiana on the back edge is at least that band of shower activity. Everything continues to move eastward, so overnight we'll still see a little bit of on and off light rain, and even during the day tomorrow a few on and off light rain showers still will be a possibility, but a little bit of less humid air coming in from the northeast, and that should allow temperatures to cool off a little bit more through the overnight hours, heading down to about that 60-degree mark by tomorrow morning. Now Saturday, going into the weekend, the Pretzel Festival in Germantown, highs in the mid-70s and a 60% chance for some showers. Looks like a better day on Sunday. Lower humidity air moving in, upper 70s with partly sunny skies. Our high earlier today, 71, our current temperature, and also earlier this morning, our low for the day at 65, 94 the record high 1908, and down to a little bit below freezing back in 1897. A little light fog and still a lot of dampness out there. That certainly hasn't gone away over the past couple of days. 65 degrees with an east-northeast wind at 8 miles an hour. Our dew point down a little bit and still should come down a little bit during the overnight hours, and 56/100ths of an inch of rainfall out at Dayton International Airport today. But some of the heavier totals, Jason Thompson in Brookville, 1 inch of rain reported there. And as we check out the readings from our weather checkers, lighter amounts across the north, only 2/10 of an inch in Greenville and Covington, about 2/10 of an inch. And then right along that I-70 corridor from New Paris through Eaton, Kettering, Centerville over to Xenia and Beaver Creek and Cedarville, we saw those totals climb up to about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch. But outside of that area, especially north of 70, mostly about 1/4 to 1/2 inch in those locations. And our weather checkers up north tonight, Don Chateau, the cool spot, which is to be expected the farther north you go tonight, with the air mass cooler up that way, 64 degrees. Bob Jacoby in Piqua at 65. Michael Bell in Covington, 67 degrees. And mostly in the 60s down our way. A new weather checker tonight, the Conleys down there in Springboro, reporting a 66-degree reading. And again, a good soaking rain across much of the Miami Valley, at least the southern half of our viewing area. 61 tonight in Mansfield. There's that cooler air settling in from the northeast. And remember, last night we were watching the leading edge of that less humid air up in central lower Michigan, now pushing down into central Ohio. It'll still try to work back a little farther to the south and west, bringing us that slightly less humid air. But any showers around will help keep our temperatures on the cool side tomorrow into the upper 60s and lower into the 70s for those afternoon highs. Again, there's our front that's dropping south. We have that high pressure area sliding across the northeast and looking at that humid air mass to the south and west of us. And there's our front. It just pushes down to the southwest. Everything just kind of pulls up stationary southwest of us and then rolls back northeast as we go into Friday night and Saturday, so that'll keep that chance of rain going. A few light sprinkles overnight, down about 60 degrees for that low, and still some light showers on and off tomorrow, and still humid, really, high 70 degrees, but just not quite as muggy as what we've been seeing. Temperatures in the 60s most of the day, and then up around 70 as we go into the afternoon. And of course, Live Doppler 2X, you can check it out, get the latest look at the radar scope there anytime at WDTN.com. There's your good chance of rain on Saturday, and still could be an early morning shower Sunday, but that'll quickly cut off. A nice day on Sunday, and then another strong cold front comes through early Monday, and that'll bring us a chance of some showers. But behind that front, windy and much cooler temperatures.